Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install MS SQL Server 2025 Developer Edition on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10 or 11 or servers. Okay, first go to any search engine and search for download MS SQL Server 2025. Click on this MS SQL Server downloads. See here we have the SQL Server 2025 on premises on Azure, and see here we have the Developer Edition and Express Edition. Click on this download now. See download started, go to downloads. See here we have the, click on the CXE file. See we have SQL Server 2025 Enterprise Developer Edition, and see here we have the three installation types: basic, custom and download media. Basic means this is default configuration. Custom means we can select custom installation type to set up through SQL Server installation wizard. Okay, and download media means download SQL Server set of files now and install them later on a machine of your choice. Okay, whatever you want you can select. I am going to select installation type as custom installation. See, this is the media location. Okay, here it will download these files, and see this is the download size. See 1303 megabytes is the download size. Then if you want some other location, click on browse and select, then click on install. See download started. Okay, wait until this download completes. See here SQL Server Installation Center. Now click on this installation. Now click on this new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to existing installation. Click on it. Now we have to select the edition. See here we have the Enterprise, Standard Server or Express, and see here we have the three options: specify a free edition or pay as you go, or enter product key. Okay, I am going to install Standard Developer Edition. Then click on next. See, this is the license agreement. Then select this, accept the terms on the license agreement. Then click on next. If you want update, then you have to select the checkbox. Then click on next. Click on next. If you want add Azure extension for SQL Server, you have to keep this checkbox. If you select it, you have to provide all these details. Okay. At this moment I don't want, unselect it. Then click on next. Now we have to select the optionally the features whatever you want. I want to SQL Server database engine. Optionally you can select SQL Server application or full text or AI services, whatever you want you can select, like integration services. Okay, and this is the instance root directory. If you want some other, click on this browse button and select. Okay, and this is the feature recovery. See, this is the shared feature directory. Okay, I'm okay with the default, so click on next. Now we have two options: default instance or named instance. I am giving. Okay, then click on next. Select this grant perform volume maintenance permissions collation settings. I am going with defaults. If you want to change, click on customize. Service accounts I am going all with. See, for all these I am going with defaults. Then click on next. Select the authentication mode. I am going with Windows authentication. If you want mixed authentication, you have to provide the password for this SA account. It is up to you. And if you want add server administrators, you have to click on add, or you can add current user. Then click on next. Integration services scale out configuration. I am going with the default, so click on next. See, these are the features that I have selected. If you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on back and back. Okay, and this is the configuration file. Okay, this is the path. Okay, and this is the file name. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. Okay. See, installation successful. click on close. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. To connect to MySQL Server, I am going to use this SQL Server Management Studio. So click on this Install SQL Server Management Tools. See here we have the Download SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS 22 installer. So click on it to download. See, download started. Now click on this SSM exe file. Click on it, this open. Now click on continue. See, now it is downloading and installing. It is installing this Visual Studio installer. So now see here we have different options. See here SSM core components. I want to install all. So select whatever you want. You can select I want to install all. Then click on this install. See, now it is going to download and install. This will take time. Okay. See, installation is completed. Now then click on this launch button. If you want to sign in to SQL Server Management Studio, you can sign in, or click on the skip and add accounts later. Now we have to provide server name. MS SQL Server is installed on this one. So here in server name, open CMD, that is command prompt. Then just type host name, copy this one, just select it and hit enter. Now paste it, then click on, then select this server, trust server certificate and click on connect. See, we have successfully connected. If you want to run queries, click on this new query and see here we have the databases, system databases and database snapshots. See, these are all default databases that comes with SQL Server installation. Now verify the version that we have installed. Select version, select the query and click on this execute button, or just press F5. It is not at 1.2 version. Select it, execute. See, we have connected to Microsoft SQL Server 2025. Okay, and last option that I want to show you is go to services.msc, press S. See, here we have the SQL Server. See, status is running. If you want to stop, right click and select stop. If you want to pause, see here we have different options like stop, pause, restart. Okay, in the same way, if you want to restart, see here we have the stop, pause and restart, and also here see here we have the buttons. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install MS SQL Server 2025 developer edition on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.